My first time at Paris. France! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually here on the Champs-Élysées. It's amazing.
Those videos you just watched are some of the most popular UGC and AI influencer styles right now. And the interesting part is, professional businesses are making serious money from them. They're using these videos across different platforms, and they're monetizing them through affiliate programs, brand deals, and product promotions. So in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to create them, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to generate any type of UGC content, and even build your own AI influencer to make money with. All right, let's get started. In the previous lesson, you already learned the basics of the PicsArt workflow. So now, let's jump straight into building a new one. Inside the PicsArt workflow dashboard, we'll begin with the AI try-on template. As you can see, the template already includes a basic structure. First, we upload product images and accessory images. Then we upload a model image. Next, an image node uses the Nano Banana Pro model. This node combines the product images with the model. The prompt tells the model to generate an image where the girl is wearing those products. And the output gives us a clean front view. There's also another node doing the same process. But this time, it generates the back view. Now here's where it gets interesting. We'll add a video node. This video node takes the front view as the start frame and the back view as the end frame. The result is a smooth turnaround video, perfect for showcasing the product from all angles. Let's test it using VO3. Give it a moment. And there we go. You can also try other models like Kling or Sora 2. Each model gives a different visual style. And just like that, you have a simple one-shot UGC video, perfect for thumbnails, product pages, or fashion listings. Now let's move to something more powerful, a multi-shot workflow. First, we upload product images into the workflow. For this demo, we're using images from e-commerce websites. You can simply find any product online, save the images locally, and upload them into the image node. Next, we upload a model image that we prepared earlier. Then we add a product image, like a dress. Using a text prompt, we generate an image where the model is wearing that product. This model will become your AI influencer. And the best part is, you can reuse her across multiple videos. The background is generated from the text prompt, so you can easily change the environment anytime. We'll include the prompt inside the lesson, or you can duplicate the shared workflow link we provide. Now we take this generated image and animate it using image to video with Kling. This gives us our first shot. To create multiple shots, we repeat the process. We generate another version of the image, same model, same background. But this time, she's wearing a different product, maybe new shoes or another outfit. Then we animate that image using VO3. And now we have a second shot. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Once all shots are ready, we use a video node to concatenate them together. Now you have a full multi-shot UGC video. You might notice there's no background audio yet, so you have two options. You can add audio manually, or you can include audio instructions directly in the video prompt. Let's regenerate the shots with background sound. Now let's revise the video shot prompts by adding new background audio for each shot, then regenerate the video. And now, let's combine them again. You can adjust the environment like the background or the wall logo by editing the text prompt here. And there it is, a complete multi-shot UGC video. These workflows are widely used for affiliate marketing, and they work perfectly for platforms like Amazon, TikTok, or Shopify. Now for the bonus part, let's build your own AI influencer workflow. This one is actually very simple. First, open the template link we shared in the lesson. Then duplicate it so you can edit your own version. Next, upload your influencer image, or generate one using the template prompt. You can customize the prompt to create your own unique character. Then we use that image as the input for Nano Banana Pro. This allows us to generate different selfies, different moods, different locations, different environments. After that, each generated image becomes a scene. We turn those scenes into short videos. Each generated image will have its own shot video. Finally, we concatenate all the scenes together. And now you have a full AI influencer video, just like this. Pretty powerful, right?
My first time at Paris. France. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm actually here on the Champs-Élysées. It's amazing.
And here's the exciting part. In the upcoming lessons, we'll take this even further. Instead of building workflows manually, we'll automate everything. We'll generate videos in batches, at scale, so you can produce content faster and grow hundreds or even thousands of times faster than doing it manually. That's where the real power is. See you in the next lesson. Join the 02 Launch Premium community now to get access to powerful resources before the price goes up.